The goals of using direct method are that students are encouraged to think and talk in the target language, and they can communicate and understand what the others are saying. The teacher's role is to encourage and motivate the students to speak only in English, for example, to answer questions, make sentences, and repeat. And the role of the students is less passive, because they have to repeat and try to think only in the target language, in this case only English. Some of the characteristics of the teaching-learning process in the direct method are that listening and speakers are learned first. The teacher is motivating the students constantly. The teacher uses objects and body movements to teach vocabulary and then make sentences. And teacher and students are active the whole class. The student-teacher interaction is direct. They look as if they are partners. They don't look as if it is a normal class. And the student-teacher interaction is direct too. They usually help each other or they respect each other while they are speaking. Students are dealing with positive feelings because they are usually happy while paying attention, and when they say something wrong they try until they say it well. How is language viewed? They talk all the time in the target language, and the student's culture could be different, but during the class it is equal. The areas of language and the language skills that are emphasized are listening and speaking, through conversations, repetition, and answering questions during the class. The student's native language is not used during the class. They only have to think in the target language they are learning, in this case English. Students' evaluations is through conversations and answering questions. The teacher knows that they are learning when the students say the sentences correctly about a topic. The teacher encourages and motivates students to correct the mistake, or she corrects them and the students have to try again until they say the things correctly.